Meet Galaxy Z Fold4, a multitasking machine with a beautiful, flexible screen. Work, browse, or play. From so many angles without compromising on quality. When you're in work mode, get more done with multi-window. Run 3 apps together without losing time switching tabs. Perfect for working with the Microsoft Suite. Or go horizontal. Jot down key notes on a video call. And when the working day is done, catch up on the latest box set action in bright, uninterrupted clarity, and then tell your friends about it, but no spoilers. The 7.6-inch Infinity Flex display is perfect for browsing too, to find that perfect item. Wait, no, maybe that item. Unwind by diving into full-screen immersive gaming in stunning AMOLED. From multitasking magic to relaxing in style, let the visual world unfold on Galaxy Z Fold4.